Why the church feel like an emotional anchor during Christmas? Researcher Victor Condit calls this spiritual ties to place. It starts with sensing the sacred. The architecture and lights aren't just pretty, they trigger a psychological response of awe that shifts your focus outward. Sensory cues like the smell of incense or the flicker of candles hack your brain to feel an immediate connection. Oh wait, don't forget to follow me to learn more about the psychology behind the places we love. So, this creates the embodied regulation. The stillness of the space literally signals your body to slow down, breathe, and find balance amidst the holiday stress. Finally, shared rituals like Christmas amplify this. It fulfills our deep need for belonging, turning the space into a safe haven. So, it's not just a building, it is a psychological shelter for your well-being. So, where is your anchor in this Christmas season? Your church, your home, or your family?